I had made a pledge to the people of Pakistan to implement important industrial reforms in the country. I am now beginning to redeem this pledge. As from today, the control and command of the people over the following categories of industries have been asserted. 1. Iron and steel industries. 2. Basic metal industries. 3. Heavy engineering industries. 4. Heavy electrical industries. 5. Assembly and manufacture of motor vehicles. 6. Tractor plants, assembly and manufacture. 7. Heavy and basic chemicals. 8. Petrochemical industries. 9. Cement industry. 10. Public utilities, that is to say, electricity, generation, transmission and distribution, gas and oil refineries.